Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel because of me, and today I'm going to show you how to create this bronze soft smoky eye look. But before that, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's get started with it. I'm going to start with my Makeup Studio cream liner set, and taking this brown shade, I'll apply it just like a liner. Now you don't have to be perfect while applying this, because at the end of the day we are going to blend it upwards. Now I took this dome brush and I am blending it upwards till my crease. Now the main thing is that you don't have to go over your crease line, because after that it will look quite OTT. So just till your crease we are going to blend it upward, and then I'm going to add a little bit more. You can add as much as you want, it depends upon your personal choice how much smoky effect you want. And then I took this fluffy blending brush by PAC and just blending the rough edges, because we want that ideal smoked out effect where the lighter shade is upward. And then from my Morphe 35O palette, I took this brown shade and just added to my crease to give a very nice smooth effect on my crease. And then took this flat brush by Sigma and taking the darkest brown shade, I'm going to put on half of my lid area, and then with the blending brush I'm going to blend this dark brown shade upwards. So we want the effect of very dark and then fading towards the light one. And then I took this bronze shade from the same palette, and fingers work best with the shimmer shades. I applied it on center of my lids and then blended all the rough edges of it so that it looks very smooth and good. And then I took the cream liner and applied on my lower waterline, like lower lash line, and blended it very nicely with this small precise brush by Sonia Kashuk. And after blending it, I took some kohl. Now again, it's your personal preference. I love kohl. I added it to my waterline with smoky eyes. Kohl looks amazing. And at last I applied some falsies by Wink Mink, and here is the final look. I hope you guys really love this look. Don't forget to subscribe and also leave a comment down below. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye bye. Take care.